The sun dips below the horizon in Miami, but the city is just getting warmed up. Forget the guidebooks. Tonight, we're diving into the heart of Miami's electrifying nightlife scene like a local. Hola amigos. The travel insider here, and Miami's nightlife is calling your name. Are you ready to trade your swimsuit for dancing shoes and experience the city that never sleeps? Whether you crave pulsating dance floors under the moonlight, world-class music venues, or a night of laughter with friends, Miami's nightlife caters to every desire. So, put on your dancing shoes, grab your favorite outfit, and prepare to experience the magic of Miami after dark. Our Miami nightlife adventure kicks off in the heart of the action, South Beach. This glamorous neighborhood is synonymous with vibrant energy, world-famous nightlife, and a touch of Art Deco flair. First stop, a stroll down iconic Ocean Drive. People watching is an art form here, with street performers, trendy outfits, and the pulsating rhythm of the city setting the scene. As the sun dips below the horizon, head to a trendy rooftop bar. Sip on handcrafted cocktails and soak up breathtaking city views that stretch as far as the eye can see. This is the perfect way to start your South Beach nightlife experience. Later, when you're ready to take it up a notch, South Beach boasts some of the hottest nightclubs in the world. Dance the night away to world-famous DJs, feel the electric energy of the crowd, and create unforgettable memories under the Miami moonlight. From chart-topping hits to underground electronic music, South Beach caters to every musical taste. So, put on your dancing shoes and prepare to unleash your inner party animal. Craving a more artistic and offbeat vibe? Let's head north to Wynwood, Miami's vibrant arts district. By day, this neighborhood showcases stunning street art murals and cutting-edge galleries. But after dark, Wynwood transforms into a haven for creative souls and music lovers. Wynwood is all about embracing the unexpected. Converted warehouses like this one often house live music venues featuring everything from up-and-coming local bands to renowned DJs. The atmosphere is electric, and you never know what kind of musical gem you might discover. If you're looking to combine art appreciation with your nightlife experience, Wynwood has you covered. Many galleries host special openings with live music and flowing drinks. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the local art scene and discover hidden talents. For a more relaxed evening, Wynwood boasts a fantastic selection of craft beer bars. Sample local brews, mingle with locals, and enjoy the laid-back atmosphere. This is a great way to unwind after a day of exploring and soak up the artistic spirit of the neighborhood. For a taste of authentic Cuban culture and a vibrant nightlife experience, head to Little Havana. This energetic neighborhood pulsates with the rhythm of Cuban life, offering a unique and unforgettable evening. Welcome to Little Havana, where the party starts with a strong cup of café cato. Grab a seat at a sidewalk cafe, savor the local flavors, and soak up the infectious energy of the neighborhood. Later, unleash your inner salsa dancer. Little Havana boasts a fantastic selection of salsa clubs where you can learn the basics, watch professional dancers, or simply salsa the night away to live music. No experience necessary. Many clubs offer salsa lessons for beginners, so even if you have two left feet, you can join the fun. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the culture and meet friendly locals. For a more sophisticated evening, unwind in a traditional Cuban cigar lounge. Savor a smooth rum, indulge in a hand-rolled cigar, and soak up the refined atmosphere. It's a unique way to experience the cultural heritage of Little Havana. Miami's nightlife caters to every whim, and if you're looking for something beyond the typical club scene, the city offers a treasure trove of unique experiences. Start your night with side-splitting laughter at a comedy club. Catch a hilarious stand-up performance by up-and-coming local comedians or established national acts. It's a guaranteed way to lighten the mood and create lasting memories. For a truly unique experience, embark on a moonlight kayaking adventure. Glide through the tranquil waters under the starry sky, taking in the breathtaking views of the Miami skyline from a whole new perspective. From stand-up comedy to moonlight kayaking, Miami's nightlife offers experiences you won't find anywhere else. So, don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and explore the unexpected. Immerse yourself in a world of drama, comedy, or music at a world-class theater venue. Catch a live sporting event and experience the electric energy of Miami's passionate fanbase. Whether you're a theater buff, a sports fanatic, or simply seeking a unique adventure, Miami's nightlife has something special in store for you. As the city lights shimmer below and the cool night breeze washes over you, you've just experienced a glimpse of Miami's electrifying and ever-evolving nightlife scene. From pulsating dance floors in South Beach to hidden gems in Wynwood and the cultural heart of Little Havana, Miami's nightlife offers something for every adventurer. Remember, Miami thrives on spontaneity, so embrace the unexpected, explore hidden gems, and create your own unforgettable memories after dark. So, night owls and party people, are you ready to experience Miami nightlife like a local? Salad.